countries. So get this, the Kenya Revenue Authority KRA officers have recovered $28,000 concealed in a jacket shipped into Kenya as a parcel from South Carolina State, USA. The jacket was packed in a suitcase containing clothes and books sent to the suspect, Mr. Peter Oluwafemi Olaiwon of Nigerian nationality, by Miss Linda C. Dye, a resident of South Carolina, USA. The suspect was subsequently arrested after presenting himself to collect the parcel, quote unquote. So Mr. Olaiwon was arraigned in court on 8th November 2021 and charged with financial promotion of an offense contrary to Section 7 of the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act and conveyance of monetary instruments to Kenya contrary to Section 12 of the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act. The suspect pleaded not guilty to both charges and was released on a cash bail of 150,000 Kenya shillings. He is also expected to execute a personal bond of 200,000 Kenya shillings. So let's just put it to perspective, shall we? The law, according to the East African Community Customs Management Act, states that if you have to travel by air with cash, then your limit is up to $5,000. In some cases, you could be allowed to travel with at most of $10,000. So in case you have an extra of that, then you've got to declare it with the customs unit at the airport's entry declaration. If you fail to do that, if you fail to declare, the cash will be confiscated and you'd be liable to any legal action as deemed fit against those rules right there. So if you want to travel with cash, then now you are on the know of the limits you should not exceed and of what legal action could be taken against you and why and how you can avoid that. So be on the lookout. Very well, let's give you more good news right here for the sugarcane farmers. In Nzoia Sugar Factory has received 500 million Kenya shillings to help alleviate the financial challenges dogging the cane miller. Agriculture CS Peter Munya presided over the release of the first tranche of the monies as at October 2021. The gross farmers arrears for Nzoia